Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sathak, and today I will make a small video about using dynamic browsers, like how can you use multiple browsers in one logic in one class. So let's go ahead and do it. I'll just make a small class and I'll name it as dynamic underscore browsers. Okay, I'll select the main method, I'll finish it. Let me increase the font size. 1 second, guys. Preferences, general appearance, colors and fonts, edit text font. I'll make it to 16. Okay, apply and close. So I'm just trying to invoke all the browsers and all the browser drivers here. So and invoke all the class which have those browsers. So first and foremost, what I'll make is I'll declare my WebDriver here in the global level. Public static WebDriver driver. Okay, I'll import it directly. So now I'll declare a string. Let's say my string browser is Chrome, for example. Okay, so I'll start if I'll use the if statement. If my browser is browser dot equals Chrome System.setProperty WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and here I have to give the ChromeDriver executable path. Wait, let me go and pull down my ChromeDriver executable path in Selenium. Browser drivers, common drivers, I have it here. Control C. .exe. Okay, so I'll write driver.get. Let's say, for example, I'm opening Google here. Okay, driver.manage dot window, and I'll maximize this window. Okay, so now I will go for the else if. Let's say, for example, our browser is not equals to Chrome, and let's say if it is equals to, for example, Firefox. Okay, have some little patience, guys. I'm wrapping it up as soon as possible. Rather, I'll copy this and I'll change it. Okay, so WebDriver dot, I'll change it here, jcode.driver. Okay, I missed out on one thing. I did not call the class. Okay, fine. Control Shift O, and now I will call this as jcode.driver. And I will bring the Firefox driver here. Firefox driver, and I'll import it. Oh god, I did a mistake, sorry. Okay, now let's say if it is not that, let's say for example if it is Internet Explorer. So if my browser is Internet Explorer, I hope I'm writing the spelling right. Yep, I'll need to copy this and I'll change it accordingly. Here it is WebDriver dot IE, and instead of ChromeDriver, I think it is IE driver server dot exe. So it is IE driver server dot exe. Instead of this, it will be Internet Explorer driver. Okay, I'll just open something here like Paytm for Firefox, and this one, let's say make my trip. This doing casually certain things. Okay, Control Shift F. Now let's say if I want, let's say it is Edge. So I'll type my browser is Microsoft Edge. It's not Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. So I'll give, okay, by doing Control Shift F, it does this. I rather keep it in one line for you guys to not get confused in multiple lines. One second, let me arrange the code. Control Shift F, actually it beautifies the pattern of your code. Nothing much. It doesn't beautify, it just maintains a certain level. Okay, Control C, I'll copy paste here everything and I'll save it here, but here it will be edge.driver, and this path will totally change in this case. I will not use this path. I can use this path. I think it should work. But generally it is in System.32, but I'll use it. Let's see if it works or not. Microsoft WebDriver.exe. It is driver equal to new edge driver, and let's say I will do here Flipkart. Okay, so we'll use these 4 drivers, and else I'll just print none of the browsers are working. Okay, so let me run this. Since we declared browser as Chrome, it is opening Chrome. Okay, so it works absolutely fine. Yes, it works absolutely fine. So you can keep this code. Generally, this is generally what we use in our framework designing, and we tend to use this in properties file. What are properties file and everything, I'll tell you little later on. As of now, I'm trying to decrease the size of the code, and I will make it because I've already written, so people might need a screenshot or something, so I'll just make it smaller. Okay, so this is the complete code. You can use this, and now there is one small change which I'll need to make, but I will show that in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Signing off.